Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G73 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this Motorola. First of all, you need to locate Moto app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on those three lines at the top left corner of it and select Personalize. Finally, you can choose Font section over here and tap on the best one for you. I will go with Square one. So now when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!